to my channel. Today we're doing something pretty exciting. We're gonna do a do-it-yourself project, as well as show you guys what I got at my thrift store haul slash Dollar Tree haul. Yes, because we spent wouldn't say a pretty penny, but we spent a good amount of money for a lot of things. So I saw a few YouTubers doing it where they had vases at home and they bought some paint and they mixed it in with baking powder and created a beautiful piece of art. It looks like it was made out of clay. Today I wanted to give it a try. So I actually went to a thrift store around my neighborhood and I purchased some amazing ones, and then I went to Joann's and purchased some paint as well. And Joann's a little expensive. It's a little expensive, but they do give you some good coupons if you're patient. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my haul, as well as a do-it-yourself project. Also, before we get started, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the like button and the notification bell to get notified every time new videos do go live. I would truly appreciate it, and let's jump right into it. To get started, let's actually show what we got from the Dollar Tree. The amazing part is that literally everything in this Dollar Tree is $1. Everything. Like, at first I thought it was like a lie, and because sometimes when I go to the 99-cent store, some things are like 99 cents, $1.99, $2.99, and you're like, I don't know. But in Dollar Tree, everything is literally $1. We ended up buying a handy chamois. It's basically for when you wash cars. We've been going to like the do-it-yourself hand car washes, so I'll see if it actually works, you know. We are actually getting into some cosplays for my Twitch channel, and if you haven't already, don't forget to actually follow me on Twitch. I'll put it right here, somewhere around here. Yeah, so we're gonna start doing some cosplays, and I'm pretty excited about that. This is part of my, I guess, a part of my cosplay, so it was actually pretty cool. If you haven't heard of it, it's a game called Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, and the cosplay that I'm gonna be doing is actually Kavera. So she uses a knife like this. It's gonna be pretty exciting. Next, we got some fuzzy sandal slippers. You can never have enough of these, and I've actually been wanting some for the house because I don't like shoes. I don't like wearing shoes in the house, so I decided to, you know, spend $1 on a pair of these. Let's see how this goes. Also, for the car, you have actually been asking me if I had aux cables, and I'm like, no, is that something I need to get? So the dollar store actually had two different kinds of aux cables. I got this one for me, for the house, and then I got this one for their car. It's just a little basic, and they actually were $1, so I mean, they don't work. Okay. Growing up, my mom used to actually use these a lot, and I used to actually play with them and try to put them on my hair, but I just never knew how. I actually saw them at the dollar store, and I'm like, I need them. I have long hair. Sometimes I just want to like clip it back without putting a hair tie. So I got these. I don't know if you guys remember these banana clips, so I'm pretty excited. And then for makeup brushes, actually, this was pretty exciting. We were at the checkout line and we saw these and we're like, no way, for $1. So I want to see if this really works. We got some silicone brush cleaner, and it's like, I don't know if you've seen, I think Sigma is the one that has like the pink one that goes into the sink. I've been wanting one, but I just never got one, and while waiting online I saw this and I'm like, okay, we can try it out for $1, you know, $1. So it's pretty cute. It's a little watermelon. So for the actual project that we have, the actual do-it-yourself that I am going to be doing later on in my channel, I bought some products from the dollar store because why not? Actually bought some paint brushes to paint the vases or vases. So I thought this was pretty cool because it comes with 8 brushes in like literally different sizes. Pretty cool. Now I saw these, so I think I'm a little ahead, like way ahead holiday wise, but I saw these and I thought they were so cute, especially for like the holiday season coming up. So I don't know if you can see, but like they're so beautiful. It's like fake snow on branches with a little bit of like glitter, and they were $1 each. You will be seeing them around my house during the holiday. Next, we're actually gonna get started on what I got at the thrift store. Now, this is like the first time that I ever gone to a thrift store. I've gone for like Halloween, but I never went to a thrift store to actually buy home things or anything like that. So it was actually pretty exciting to be able to really like check out a thrift store. And I went to one that's kind of by where I live. And let me tell you, I think I spent about $100, but it was a lot of things. Like, I bought so many things, and I feel like half of these things, if you were to buy them in the store, like with the actual price, they would be way over 100. Okay guys, so obviously we know Halloween is coming up. I did find these amazing costumes, so even if I stay at home, it's okay. And I thought they were pretty cool. So this year it's gonna be an avocado. That's right. I thought this was pretty cool. It's like $7 for a whole costume. Like, if I'm gonna wear a costume at home, like, come on. Come on, guys. Really? This is amazing. It was $7 for both of them. Well, $7 each. So, the one that I'm most excited about is this vase right here. I was looking around the store and I ended up seeing it, and I'm like, I need you. Because I wanted a big one. I wanted a big vase to like paint and to like add some beautiful flowers into it. I haven't decided what color I want to paint this one just yet. But I'm thinking more of a neutral so that I can keep it out like throughout the year. This bad boy right here was $8.99. How beautiful. I mean, looking at it now, it looks like a drinking glass, you know. Because I'm not leaving it see-through, I'm actually painting it. I think I can put like some really nice flowers or big, nice like leafy stems out of it. But we shall see. So another vase that I found that was pretty big, and this one is another one that I'm excited about. I have like two big ones so far. These are the ones that I found there. But this one was $4.99. And like, come on. The last place we went to was Joann's, and that's where we actually bought the paint. I bought a rope, and yeah, that's it. So this is the rope that I bought to wrap around some of the vases to make it, to add a little bit of style to it, a little bit decoration to it. Thought it was pretty cool. These are the paints that I bought. I bought a burnt sienna. I bought white acrylic paint, honeycomb paint, some suede paint, and lightly textured acrylic paint. Another suede one. This is olive. Oh, the other one was called suede, the color. But this one is called olive. I think that one's gonna be really, really pretty. And the last is called autumn brown. All right, you guys, so those are the things that I purchased to actually do this project. If you guys want to see how these amazing vases turn out, then just keep watching. Hey guys! Okay, so what you're going to want to do to start off is you're going to want to create the color that you want to paint your vases. So pick the color, add a little bit of white to it. If you want to make it darker, make it darker. After you're done mixing the color and getting it to the color that you want for your vases, you're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder. Once you've added the baking powder, you're going to start to mix the paint and baking powder. So I ended up just folding it at first so that the powder doesn't go everywhere, and then I mixed it. Once I got the mixture taken care of, I ended up just going to town and started painting these vases. I ended up doing 2 coats for each vase. I started to notice that the one coat you can still see through the paint. So you're going to want to do 2 coats to actually make it look like it's real ceramic. I repeated the same process for each and every vase that I was changing the colors. Just added new paint, add my teaspoon of baking powder, and just paint 2 coats, and you're done. Last but not least, we got these amazing lamps that I've had for over 5 years now. I was gonna actually give these away. I didn't want them anymore, but after painting the vases, I ended up looking at these and like, yo, you can definitely revamp these. So I ended up just painting them a beautiful neutral color, adding a little bit of rope to the bottom of it and putting it together with some hot glue. And I've actually loved the turnout. I wouldn't have had it any other way. Okay, for the final result, these lamps and vases came out amazing. If you haven't tried this yet, I recommend you do before you throw away any vases, any lamps, anything that you have in your house that's glass. Just revamp it, add a little bit of touch to it, and I promise you're gonna love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace and love.